what does the new stablecoin regulation mean for the cryptocurrency industry as a whole?
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for hosting me today. Last week, President Donald Trump signed the Genius Law at the White House, and with regulated digital stablecoins. And this law represented a crucial steps enhancing transparency and trust in the world of digital currencies. On Friday, President Trump reaffirmed his commitment to maintain the U.S. dollar's status as a world reserve currency, and also pledged not to allow central banks digital currency. And also, all of us knowing about the Genius Law as the first significant federal legislation to regulate the cryptocurrency market in the U.S. and already is having perceived by support from partisan, and it's also passed with a significant majority of 380 votes in favor and 122 agent admit minimal political controversy. But also we will can take what is the impact of these legislations on the market. We will see U.S. stocks has reflect and the company, especially the company that linked with the cryptocurrencies, rose in pre-market trading on Wall Street last Monday after the President Trump also signed a new law regulation stable coins, and the share price of, for example, strategic companies increased around 2%, and we will see another companies associated with the cryptocurrency market like GameStop rose around 0.25% and reaching to 23.35 US dollars. And also, we will mention that another companies is also affected by this new regulation, and already in this related to this development, the Jim Square Holding company surged about 4.6% after the Delaware-based company announced a new plans to sell a portion of its shares to fund investment in the cryptocurrency sectors. So we will see a very hard work comes from the cryptocurrency market to these new registrations regarding to the regulate the cryptocurrency market in the future.
Dr. Ahmed, how might clear rules for stable coins affect investor confidence and market growth at the same time? And why do you think that either prices and crypto-linked stocks have responded positively to this?
First of all, when we're talking about this legislation, the Genius Law significantly enhanced the legal environment of cryptocurrencies by establishing, for example, a clear legal frameworks. And also it will be bolstering the confidence of the investors and also the users. And also to promote consumer trust. All of these factors, it will be help to push up the market. And also when the President Donald Trump, it's all before, he also announced to be U.S. a global hub for cryptocurrencies. All of these attracting the investors to support in startup company and also to participate in this market. And all of these factors will be going together to encourage the cryptocurrency market.
So in what ways could regulation help or hinder innovation in the crypto and blockchain space?
So when we talk about the blockchain spaces or crypto spaces, all of us knowing that the banking sector also, it's already welcoming this and response, very, very good signal response, like a major of U.S. banking and the private company in U.S. is also greeting these new legislations. Like major U.S. banking, what I say before, institutions have welcomed this role, indicating readiness to enter the digital assets market. when we're talking about the big banks in US, like JP Morgan, like Citibank, like about what he said in JP Morgan, he expressed a plan to participate in both deposit currencies, and also Citibank appreciated this new regulation and highlight about the previous challenging that already removed nowadays when we started these legislations. And also the private company like Uber, maybe he announced about they will be exploring a new launching their own stable coins to bypass the traditional payment system, and also they are welcoming about these procedures.
How important is government oversight for digital currencies when it comes to mainstream adoption?
So about the central banks, there's already play a crucial roles to regulate the market, like regarding to the linking between the banking system and the final end of the final users, like the final users. So they have crucial rules to organize these traditional methods or traditional payment system in the same time.
Okay, so what role do you see stablecoins playing in the future of payments and finance?
So it will be changed again. By the way, the cryptocurrency nowadays, we will see some of the big companies over the seas trying to encourage this market, and we will see the figures of the cryptocurrency market also reach a good point. Or they take a good point from these reactions, and the cryptocurrencies nowadays we will see try to recover what we said before. Maybe one and a half month, it will be steady as a crucial, as there is need something to motivate to make this participation in the market.
How might these regulatory changes impact competition among different cryptocurrencies?
So we will see some blockchain. The blockchain, by the way, we will take example for blockchain technology. We will see they will be changed something regarding to international transaction, and also to make some privacy for the end users. So I think they will be make some modification on this legislation to encourage or to participate as main players like central banks to be main players in these procedures.